Is it the right time to make a move on Alibaba stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 22, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. Stay updated on any crucial developments that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is meant for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 21, 2023, our system has ranked Alibaba as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.24. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some fluctuations, the stock is currently experiencing a loss of 1.29% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. This means that on average, the stock has been declining at a rate of 0.64% per day since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. Currently, the stock is in the midst of a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -15.79% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between -22.59% and -9.60%. Examining the 12-month trend, there is a projected -19.42% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging from -24.52% to 5.72%. In other words, the stock could be valued between $56.82 and $79.59 after 12 months. Our latest update on Alibaba brings a headline: Evaluation of Alibaba stock downgraded after the last trading session. The stock price of Alibaba experienced a decline of 1.29% on the last day, which was Friday, December 22, 2023. It dropped from $76.26 to $75.28. Throughout the trading day, the stock displayed a fluctuation of 1.67%, with a low point of $74.44 and a high point of $75.68. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 4.35% increase over the past 2 weeks. The volume of trading shares decreased alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign as volume should align with the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 795,000 shares on the last day, and a total of 20 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.50 billion. In the span of 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $121.30, while the lowest was $70.09. Presently, the price is 37.94% or $46.02 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 76.42% or $244.04 below the all-time high on October 27, 2020, when the price reached $319.32. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Alibaba Group Holding Limited, also known as Alibaba. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Alibaba a buy grade with a downgrade action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Benchmark also gave Alibaba a buy grade, but with a hold action. Similarly, on the same day, Mizuho Securities rated Alibaba as a buy, but with a hold action. Morgan Stanley, once again, gave Alibaba an overweight grade, but with a hold action. Going back to Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Benchmark rated Alibaba as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have rated Alibaba stock as a strong buy, indicating a positive outlook. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy indicators, further supporting the positive sentiment. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating, suggesting a more cautious approach. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Alibaba, one of the leading companies in the market. Let's start with the positive news. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, December 11, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 5.48%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, we also have some negative signals to consider. These signals may have some influence on the near short-term development of the stock. While the Alibaba stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. The fact that the long-term average is above the short-term average gives a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $77.30. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $74.45. Breaking through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Lastly, it's worth noting that volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The Bollinger signal showed a buy indication 18 days ago. The short-term moving average is giving a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 28 days ago. When we analyze the relation between the short and long moving averages, it indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. Now, if we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 75 days ago. When we look at the relation between the short and long moving averages, it shows a buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to Alibaba, there's an interesting opportunity to consider. The stock finds support from accumulated volume at $74.67, and this could potentially signal a buying opportunity. Historically, when this support level is tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Alibaba has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This means that the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the past day, the stock moved $1.24 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.67% change. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.15%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Alibaba. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A low PE ratio could suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.86. These numbers can significantly impact stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $77.60. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba faces its first support level at $74.67. If this support holds, it could be a potential entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $71.79, which represents a decrease of 4.63%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom that occurred 9 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? While Alibaba holds several positive signals, we believe there are not enough reasons to consider it a strong buy candidate at the moment. It would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this stock position and wait for further development. There are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, which have led us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate recommendation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 26, we anticipate Alibaba to open down $0.147 and start trading at $75.13. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.